Hey guys, welcome to Tech Refreshed, and subscribe. Today we have the Redmi K30, so let's do its unboxing. And unfortunately this is the 4G version and not 5G. Now moving on to its specifications, Redmi K30 has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus, 1080 by 2400 pixels, IPS LCD panel with dual-hole punch display, with 20:9 aspect ratio, 91% screen-to-body ratio. The bezels are 2.05 mm thin whereas the chin measures only 4.25 mm. And comes along with 120Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And it has the side-mounted fingerprint scanner which quite quick and responsive. In terms of performance, Redmi K30 5G variant is powered by the 7nm Snapdragon 765G SoC, whereas the 4G variant is powered by the Snapdragon 730G processor, which also quite good and powerful. So we cannot have experience of new processor as of now. As for the cameras, the Redmi K30 sports a quad rear camera setup placed in a vertical manner and situated in the top center of the back panel with an intriguing circular-shaped ring surrounding it. The quad rear camera setup includes a 64-megapixel Sony IMX686 sensor as the main rear camera with f/1.89 aperture, one 1.7-inch sensor and 6P lens. The main camera is assisted by a 5-megapixel macro lens, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an 8-megapixel 120-degree wide-angle sensor as well. Features include Memoji, Super Night Scene Mode, RAW format support, and other IVACT features. On the 4G variant, the 5-megapixel macro camera is replaced by the 2-megapixel camera. On front, the Redmi K30 and Redmi K30 5G pack a dual selfie camera setup with the cutouts placed on the top right edge of the screen, and the cutout is just 4.38 mm thin. There's a 20-megapixel main front sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for better portraits. The Redmi K30 packs a 4,500 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging support. The 4G variant supports 27 watts fast charging in comparison and same amount of battery. And this runs on MIUI 11 based on Android 10, and other connectivity options on both the phones include NFC, 5G GPS, USB Type-C port, and 3.5mm audio jack support. The phones support high-res audio as well. That's all guys, like and subscribe. See you in next video.